All right, it's time for a quick Artemis II crew weekly update. Standing outside Building 5 at the Johnson Space Center. The whole crew was just inside doing an absolutely crazy entry simulator. It was kind of a capstone entry sim for us. We had spacecraft fire. We lost half of our computers, half of our displays, half of our reentry thrusters, which took out our prop system and forced us into a manual reentry, and landed about 5 miles from the U.S. Navy for recovery. So it was awesome to see myself, Victor, Jeremy, and we had Andre Douglas, our backup, sitting in seat 4 today. It was just totally fantastic situation, and we nailed it, and the flight control team did a superb job. Winding back this week a little bit, it was really all about data collection leading into this flight. So we were given a lot of blood for immunology, checking our immune system before we fly. And additionally, most of us were in a lunar-like pressure suit over in Building 9 in Argos, experiencing lunar gravity. And we were just collecting data on how do we perform today. And we're going to repeat this test the day after we land, simulating that we had landed on the moon on Artemis II, just to see how our nervous-vestibular system and our bone muscle health is, and how good our crewmates on Artemis III will be, our friends on Artemis III, when they step out on the lunar surface. So pretty cool to get to play in some of that data gathering. They've been doing it with International Space Station crews for a while, and we asked to be a part of it, and they let us. And I think it'll be good data to lead to Artemis III, which is what we're always thinking about. How do we get our friends on the lunar surface safely on Artemis III and then bring them back home? Hope everyone has a great week. Cheers.